Hi, and welcome to Emma in the Kitchen. Today, we are not cooking.
We are actually going to make a 4x4 cube of Buckyballs. This is what it looks like. We don't have a full set of Buckyballs because we have had them for a while, but they come with 216 Buckyballs. Some people like to make the cube. I know on the little sheet it gives you like different things to make. One of them is the cubes. This is just a video for people who don't know how to make the cube and who want to learn. Since we don't have the full set, we are only making a 4x4. However many you have, this is just going to apply to a 4x4, but if you multiply it out the right way, it should come out to 216. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is 4 of these, which is just 16 Buckyballs in a row. If any of you don't know what Buckyballs are, they're little ball magnets that look like this. They connect together and snap, and you can twist them and make them in different positions. You're going to need 4 of these. Next, you're going to form them into these little squares. They're just flat, like one row of Buckyballs. You're going to eventually have 4 of those. And then you're going to connect 2 of them together to make this. This is just 2 stacked on top of each other. And then you're going to connect the 2 to get the cube. The first thing, obviously, is to count off the 16 Buckyballs. I just like to count them off in 4s. So 4, 4, 4, 4. Now you're going to connect them together. You're going to make them so there are 4 on each side, like this. And then you're going to have the extra here. Then you're going to flip it around and pretty much do the same to the other side, like this. And then do it one last time to make the flat square. So now you have, and you're going to do that 3 more times. I already have 2 here, so I'm only going to make 1 more. 4, 4, 4, 4. Then just do the same thing that you did with the first one. Connect it. And they do normally pop out of place like this and form weird positions. If they do, like they probably will, just push them back into place. Like that. It kind of looks like a rainbow if you actually look at it the right way. Just flip it around like this. So now I have 3 made, but if you just started off doing them normally, you're only going to have 2 made. You're just going to do 2 more. I already have them here. Now you're going to take any 2 of the ones that you made and connect them. If you feel a little force field against them, that means you have to flip the ones around. Now you're going to connect them like this, so they almost form a circle, like this. Now you're going to have a circle of Buckyballs. Since, if you can see, I lined it up so there is a line going completely horizontally on each side. I'm going to take it on each side like this and just squish it. So it looks like this. Now you have the 2 stacked on top of each other. I'm going to do that one more time because I already have 2 made, but I will do that one more time for people who didn't see. Those snapped right together, but if they don't, you just want to flip it. Like you can see if like maybe there are one up here and the top one is up here and the top one for this one is like down here. That's okay. It just means you have to flip it around. So then just make a circle again with this one. Snap it. And then just squish it. You should have 2 of those now. You're going to take any 2. And you are going to pretty much do the same thing with the inner 2, like this. If you feel force field against them, like see how this isn't lined up completely? See how it looks like that? Just pull it apart. These squish apart if you do. So if you do make them like that, don't worry, just make another one. So 4, 4, 4. Is that over there? That's not aligned right. Okay. 4, 4, and 4. Like this. Do it again. Snaps together. So these are lined up and that they're all together. Circle. and squish. This is like a rainbow. Okay, these are not working, so I will get to you back in another video to show you how to complete the cube.